We decided to commission a video because for any organisation it's obviously critical to get your message out there. We chose video as a way to cut through the noise.
We saw that we didn't have the capacity or resources, so we did an analysis of what was available.
In selecting a video provider, we tried a few providers and Dream Engine was the one that stood out for us. We chose video because it's direct and personal. It lets your organisation put a face to the organisational name.
Hello, I'm Chris Andrews. Welcome to LTF TV.
It's not because everyone is doing it, it's because there is a demand in the market for videos for the audience that we have.
The key benefits of the video productions that we've done with Dream Engine has been increased investor awareness of our brand and of our approach.
The quality of the videos were excellent. I would definitely recommend Dream Engine. The experience has always been positive, and it's a long-standing relationship, I believe.
I'd recommend Dream Engine for 3 reasons. Firstly, the quality of their product. Secondly, their responsiveness and helpfulness in the production process. And thirdly, their competitive pricing.